Sanibonani, igama lami uLindiwe. Hello everyone, my name is Lindiwe. Welcome to ZuluMites Phrase of the Day. The word for today is gxuma, which means jump. You make the sound from the back of your tongue. You'd say gxuma. When the child is playing on the trampoline, gxuma. You can say it when you say jump into the car, gxuma emotweni. You can also say it when you want to say jump in, you would say gxuma phakathi. The phrase of the day is gxuma, which means jump. Good luck everybody. See you again. Salani kahle.